children, happy morning. How are you? I hope you are all well at home. Are you ready for the class? Okay. Today I will take the subject social, second standard social. The lesson name is kinds of houses. The lesson name is kinds of houses. K-I-N-D-S. Kinds of. O-F of. Houses. H-O-U-S-E-S. Houses. Kinds of houses. What is the meaning of kinds of houses? Kinds of houses meaning in types of houses. Okay students, today you are learn about types of houses this lesson. Okay, first you will read the question. Okay children, I will read the question. What does our house protect us from? One more. What does our house protect us from? Protect means நம்மள பாதுகாக்குது. Protect us னா நம்மள பாதுகாக்குது. எது நம்மள பாதுகாக்குது? வீடு. House. House வந்து நம்மள protect பண்ணுது. எதுல எதுக்காக protect பண்ணுறத நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். First you read the spelling mark. W-H-A-T. What? Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Our. O-U-R. Our. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. Protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. Us. U-S. Us. From. F-R-O-M. From. What does our house protect us from? Okay, next answer. Our house protects us from heat, rain and wild animals. Our. O-U-R. Our. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. Protects. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-S. Protects. Us. U-S. Us. From. F-R-O-M. From. Heat. H-E-A-T. Heat. Heat means very hot. Hot na enna theriyalada romba சூடா இருக்குது. Heat வெயில். Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Rain means in Tamil you know மழை. And A-N-D. And wild animals. W-I-L-D. Wild animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Wild animals. Wild animals means காட்டு விலங்குகள். அப்போ listen. House வந்து எதுல இருந்து நம்மள protect பண்ணுது? Heat, rain and wild animals. One more. Okay students, I will teach one more. Please repeat again. What does our house protect us from? Our house protects us from heat, rain and wild animals. Okay, next we will move types of houses. Okay ma, types of houses. T-Y-P-E-S. Types of. O-F. Of. Houses. H-O-U-S-E-S. Houses. Types of houses. There are two types of houses ma. Those are Kacha house and then Pakka house. Kacha house. Kacha. K-U-T-C-H-A. Kacha house. H-O-U-S-E. House. Kacha house. Kacha house means hut house. This house is made from mud, straw, leaves, bamboo, mud. Read the spelling. M-U-D. Mud. What is the meaning of mud. Mud means in Tamil Kaliman. Next, straw. S-T-R-A-W. Straw. What is the meaning of straw? Straw means in Tamil வைக்கோல். Next, leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. You know leaves? Yes. But no small leaves. The kacha house use in big size of leaves. Which leaves that you use in coconut leaves and then palm leaves. Next, bamboo. B-A-M-B-O-O. Bamboo. Bamboo means in Tamil moongil. This kacha house is made in mud, straw, leaves, bamboo. This type of house is very big. This kacha houses you are all seeing in most of all village side. Okay, now I will show the kacha houses. This is kacha houses. This is straw. Okay, ma? This is very big. Why this big? Because this is made from mud, straw, leaves, bamboo. So this is big. This is not permanent house. Okay, ma? Next I will move Pakka house. Pakka house. Pakka. P-U-C-C-A. Pakka house. H-O-U-S-E. Pakka house. Pakka house means strong house. This is most of us seen in town and city side. Okay, ma? This house is made from cement, iron, bricks, steel. I will read the spelling. C-E-M-E-N-T. Cement. Iron. I-R-O-N. Iron. What is the meaning of iron? Iron means in Tamil irumbu. Next, bricks. B-R-I-C-K-S. Bricks. What is the meaning of bricks? Bricks means in Tamil sengal. Next, steel. Yes, S-T-E-E-L. Steel. Pakka house is made from cement, iron, bricks, steel. This is very strong house. This house is long life. Okay, ma? Pakka house is long life in long. This is permanent house. It's last for many years. Okay. 3 types of Pakka houses we will see. First one is two-storied house. Two-storied house. Read the spelling. T-W-O. Two-storied. S-T-O-R-E-Y-E-D. Storied house. H-O-U-S-E. House. Two-storied house. Okay, I will show the two-storied house. This is the two-storied house. Two-storied house means adukku madi. Okay, this is two-storied house. Next one is multi-storied house. Read the spelling. M-U-L-T-I. Multi-storied. S-T-O-R-E-Y-E-D. Storied. Building. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Building. Multi-storied building. Multi-storied building. I will show the house now. This is multi-storied building. There are many flats. And then many apartments. They are called multi-storied. This is multi-storied building. Okay, ma? Next, bungalow. B-U N G A L O W. Bungalow. Bungalow means many there are bungalow. One more I will read the spelling of bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Bungalow. Bungalow means very big house with lawn in front. Lawn. Lawn means in Tamil pulveli. Okay. One more I will revise the types of houses. There are two types of houses. One is kacha house and another one is paka house. Kacha house is made from mud, straw, leaves, bamboo, and then paka house is made from cement, iron, bricks, steel. There are three types of houses. Paka houses is three types of houses. Two-storied house, multi-storied building, bungalow. The paka houses is permanent house. Kacha houses is weak house. Okay students, next I will teach the temporary houses. Temporary houses. Some peoples are moved one place to another place. There are live in temporary houses. Okay, read the spelling. Temporary. T-E-M-P-O-R-A-R-Y. Temporary. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. Temporary house. Okay, one more I will read the spelling. You say the spelling again. T-E-M-P-O-R-A-R-Y. Temporary house. H-O-U-S-E. House. Temporary house. First one is tent. Tent. Read the spelling. T-E-N-T. Tent. Tent is made from canvas. Tent is made from canvas. Spelling canvas. C-A-N-V-A-S. Canvas. This is made from thick cloth. Okay, ma'am. This is made from thick cloth. This type of tent is soldiers. Next, caravan. Okay, I will read the spelling. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Caravan. It is house on a wheel. It is house on a wheel. It can be taken from one place to another place. Okay, ma'am. This is caravan. Okay, next I will move houseboat. Houseboat. Read the spelling. H-O-U-S-E. Houseboat. H-O-U-S-E. House. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Houseboat. Houseboat is floats on a water. Houseboat is float on a water. Houseboat is floats on water. They are called shikaras. Next, move in igloo. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. It is made of ice and snow. It is made of ice and snow. I-C-E. Ice and snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. The igloo is most of us seen in very cold places. The people lived in Eskimos. Okay, ma. Next, temporary house. I will revise one more. Temporary houses. Tent. Tent is made from canvas. Next, caravan. Caravan is house on wheels. It's move one place to another place. Next, houseboat. It floats on a water. They are called shikaras. Next, igloo. It's made from ice and snow. It is very cold place. Okay, ma'am. Next, Okay students, now you are take the social book. The page number is 20. Write true or false. Read the spelling of true. T-R-U-E. True. Or false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay, I will read the question. You say the answer. Kacha houses made of mud, bamboo, leaves and straw. Kacha houses means hut house. Kacha houses made of mud, bamboo, leaves and straw. This is true or false? You say the answer. Yes, your answer is correct. This is true. Yes, your answer is correct. It is true. Put the true. T. Okay, ma. Next. Tent, caravan, houseboat and igloo or permanent houses. Listen one more. Tent, caravan, houseboat and igloo or permanent house. This is permanent house. You say the answer. Yes, your answer is correct. This is false. This is false. Okay, next. Most houses have sloping roofs. Most houses have sloping roofs. Sloping means in Tamil, sarivu. This is true or false? Say the answer. Yes, your answer is correct. This is false. Okay, next. Pakka houses are very sturdy and last for many years. One more, I will read the question. Pakka houses are very sturdy and last for many years. You know pakka houses? Pakka houses means sturdy means strong. So pakka is sturdy, strong. You say the answer. True or false? Yes, your answer is correct. It is true. Next, a caravan floats on water. Listen, a caravan floats on water. Caravan is wheel. That is your car or anyone. That is our caravan having a wheel. So, caravan floats on water. This is true or false? Say the answer. Yes, your answer is correct. It is false. Next, houseboat have wheels. One more, I will read the question. Houseboat have wheels. You know houseboat? Houseboat is having wheel. Yes, true or false? Say the answer. Yes, your answer is correct. False. Okay children, I hope you are all understand the class. We will meet at next class. Thank you children. Have a nice day.